ChatGPT, short for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a large language model developed by OpenAI that uses machine learning to generate human-like text. A traditional content creator, on the other hand, is a human who creates content manually, typically through writing, photography, video production, or other forms of media. Here are some key differences between ChatGPT and traditional content creators. Quality of content. While ChatGPT is trained on a large dataset of text and is able to generate human-like text, it may not be able to match the quality and creativity of a human content creator. Originality. Traditional content creators are able to generate original content, whereas ChatGPT is based on pre-existing text and might not be able to come up with entirely new ideas. Tailor-made content. ChatGPT can generate content based on specific prompts and parameters, but it may not be able to match the level of customization that a human content creator can achieve. Time saving. ChatGPT can generate large amounts of content quickly, whereas traditional content creation can be a more time-consuming process. Cost-effective. ChatGPT can be a cost-effective option for generating large amounts of content, as it doesn't require human labor. Versatility. ChatGPT can be used to generate text, but it may not be able to match the versatility of a traditional content creator who can create a variety of content types, including written, visual, and audio. Both ChatGPT and traditional content creators have their own advantages and disadvantages. It depends on the specific use case and the requirements of the project, whether to use a traditional content creator or a GPT-based tool.